In this video, we're going to talk about the workflow that I built to capture any idea on the go in your phone, whether it's an idea, inspiration, grocery list item, and store it inside of our Obsidian second brain so that our eventual Jarvis-style agentic OS can go pluck that information out of the brain and give it to you when you need it. So this video will be a demo of a real simplified version of how that works, and in subsequent videos we will build it out to have more and more capabilities to not just answer questions about what's on your grocery list, but to remind you of inspiration that you had weeks ago or to execute a full-blown project on your behalf. So without further ado, let's get into it. As a reminder, I'll capture them in Obsidian Note, and my operating system will automatically classify what they are, route them into the relevant folder, location, add context and information, process it, and execute it. So let's try it right now. So I'll just open up a new note in my Obsidian Vault, and I will just say, please add buy tomatoes to my errands context list. And that's it. So all I have to do is, if you look in my inbox folder, you'll see new grocery list item. And you'll see in my errands context list, there is only 2 items in here. So what I'll do is I'll have a cron run every hour that automatically clears my inbox and routes whatever's in there to wherever it belongs in my second brain. So I'll trigger that manually because it's not the top of the hour. And we will see buy tomatoes show up on my errands list. Boom, there it is. Look at that, buy tomatoes. Perfect. Now let's see if Jarvis knows what's on my to-do list. So I'll just pop open my Telegram and say, hey Jarvis, what's on my errands context list? And then send it. Wait for it to respond. And it responded.
You've got 3 things on your errands list right now. Picking up your prescription from Walgreens, grabbing milk and shampoo, and buying tomatoes.
Boom, there it is. It's connected to my errands checklist, and it can tell me on the go what's on my to-do list. Here's something even cooler. So I'll say this. Actually, I already bought tomatoes. Could you remove that from the list? Send. Note I said remove that from the list. It remembers what list we're talking about. It'll remember context from our conversation for 30 minutes, and then it'll clear context so that context doesn't expand too far and we end up experiencing context rut in here. But I wanted to know what list I'm talking about. And it responded.
Removed buy tomatoes from your errands list.
Oh, and literally as I do it, you can see on my screen right here, buy tomatoes has been removed from the list. So that's it. That's how I capture things on the go, how I modify my files on the go. This works for everything from to-do lists, grocery lists, new ideas, new references and resources of videos and things that inspire me on the go. And it even works for executing projects, which we will cover in another video.